بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
عبس وتولى.
He frowned and turned away
أن جاءه الأعمى.
because the blind man came unto him.
وما يدريك لعله يزكى.
What could inform thee but that he might grow in grace?
أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى.
Or take heed, and so the reminder might avail him.
أما من استغنى.
As for him who thinketh himself independent,
فأنت له تصدى.
unto him thou payest regard.
وما عليك ألا يزكى.
Yet it is not thy concern if he grow not in grace.
وأما من جاءك يسعى.
But as for him who cometh unto thee with earnest purpose,
وهو يخشى.
and hath fear,
فأنت عنه تلهى.
from him thou art distracted.
كلا إنها تذكرة.
Nay, but verily it is an admonishment.
فمن شاء ذكره.
So let whosoever will pay heed to it.
في صحف مكرمة.
On honored leaves,
مرفوعة مطهرة.
exalted, purified,
بأيدي سفرة.
set down by scribes,
كرام بررة.
noble and righteous.
قتل الإنسان ما أكفره.
Man is self-destroyed, how ungrateful.
من أي شيء خلقه.
From what thing doth he create him?
من نطفة خلقه فقدره.
From a drop of seed he createth him and proportioneth him.
ثم السبيل يسره.
Then maketh the way easy for him.
ثم أماته فأقبره.
Then causeth him to die and buryeth him.
ثم إذا شاء أنشره.
Then, when he will, he bringeth him again to life.
كلا لما يقض ما أمره.
Nay, but man hath not done what he commanded him.
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه.
Let man consider his food.
أنا صببنا الماء صبا.
How we pour water in showers.
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا.
Then split the earth in clefts.
فأنبتنا فيها حبا.
And caused the grain to grow therein.
وعنبا وقضبا.
And grapes and green fodder.
وزيتونا ونخلا.
And olive trees and palm trees.
وحدائق غلبا.
And garden closes of thick foliage.
وفاكهة وأبا.
And fruits and grasses.
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم.
Provision for you and your cattle.
فإذا جاءت الصاخة.
But when the shout cometh,
يوم يفر المرء من أخيه
On the day when a man fleeth from his brother,
وأمه وأبيه
and his mother and his father,
وصاحبته وبنيه
and his wife and his children.
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه.
Every man that day will have concern enough to make him heedless of others.
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة.
On that day, faces will be bright as dawn,
ضاحكة مستبشرة.
laughing, rejoicing at good news.
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة.
And other faces on that day with dust upon them,
ترهقها قترة.
veiled in darkness.
أولئك هم